Shoelace is a great pose to stretch the outsides of the arms and the back of the heart chakra. Starting on your knees with a blanket and a block, take the blanket from an 8th fold and fold it lengthwise one more time. That's going to support the belly. We'll lay down, placing that support underneath the belly, and then slide one arm underneath with the palm facing up, and then the other arm goes on top, palm facing up. You'll see internal rotation of the legs, and then we'll place the block underneath the forehead, or perhaps the forehead could go all the way to the ground. From here, we're just resting, allowing the weight of the body to drop into the floor. Toes are together and heels are just falling slightly apart. To come out of this pose, slide out one and then the other, and then we'll take the other side, switching so that the other arm is on top. Remember that if the floor feels far away, the forehead can rest on a block. Great work!